The Kamakura Shogunate, which lasted from 1185 to 1333, was Japan's first military government and marked the rise of the samurai class as the dominant force in Japanese politics. It was founded by Minamoto no Yoritomo after his victory over the Taira clan in the Genpei War, a conflict that ended in 1185 with the decisive Battle of Dan-no-ura. With the destruction of the Taira and the weakening of the imperial court in Kyoto, Yoritomo established his military government in Kamakura, a coastal city south of modern Tokyo. In 1192, he was officially appointed shogun by Emperor Go-Toba, solidifying his control over Japan and inaugurating a system where the real power rested in the hands of the warrior elite while the emperor remained a symbolic figure. Yoritomo implemented an administrative structure that relied on samurai officials known as Shogun Jido, responsible for maintaining law and order in the provinces and overseeing taxation and land management. However, after his sudden death in 1199, the Minamoto line weakened, and real authority shifted to his widow, Hōjō Masako, and her family. By 1203, the Hōjō clan had taken control of the shogunate, ruling through the position of regent, or shikin, while Minamoto shoguns remained mere figureheads. The Hōjō regency would continue to rule for over a century, reinforcing the dominance of the samurai class and expanding the shogunate's control over the country. One of the major challenges faced by the Kamakura Shogunate came in the late 13th century with the Mongol invasions led by Kublai Khan. In 1274 and again in 1281, the Mongols launched massive expeditions against Japan, but both were ultimately unsuccessful, thanks in part to strong samurai resistance and the timely arrival of powerful typhoons, which the Japanese later called Kamikaze, or divine winds. Though these invasions strengthened Japan's sense of national identity, they also placed a heavy strain on the shogunate's economy, as maintaining a standing army and coastal defenses proved financially crippling. By the early 14th century, discontent among samurai grew, especially as many warriors who had fought against the Mongols felt they had not been properly rewarded. Meanwhile, Emperor Go-Daigo sought to restore imperial rule and launched a rebellion against the shogunate in 1331. Though he was initially defeated and exiled, he gained support from powerful samurai such as Ashikaga Shogunate and Nita Yashisada, who turned against the shogunate. In 1333, anti-shogun forces stormed Kamakura, bringing about its destruction and marking the end of the Kamakura Shogunate. Go-Daigo briefly re-established imperial rule in what became known as the Kenmu Restoration, but his efforts were short-lived, as Ashikaga Shogunate soon seized power and established a new military government, the Ashikaga Shogunate. Despite its fall, the Kamakura Shogunate left a lasting legacy. It solidified the dominance of the samurai class and introduced a feudal system that would shape Japan for centuries. The Mongol invasions reinforced Japan's identity as a distinct and resilient nation, while the rise of Zen Buddhism among the samurai deeply influenced Japanese culture and philosophy. The Kamakura period marked the beginning of nearly 700 years of military rule in Japan, setting the stage for the power struggles and shogunates that would follow.